Hundreds of taxi drivers here in Ivory Park are expected to be screened and tested for COVID-19 testing. And as you can see behind me, there's a queue of taxi drivers and taxi owners waiting to get tested. You'll see right behind me one of the taxi drivers making his way to this particular testing van, and this is called a mobile testing center. And what happens here is that they first register their details, they give their particulars, their cell phone numbers, their name, their surname, and their addresses, so that it will make it easier for tracing if there are any incidents of COVID-19 positive cases in this area, specifically at this particular taxi rank. And once they've registered their particulars, they're then taken inside this mobile testing center, where a swab from their nostril is then taken and sent to the laboratory. It should take less than 5 working days for them to get their results. And once they're done with that particular testing, they're sent to another area where they're given an opportunity to be given more information about the COVID-19 gloves, sanitizers, as well as masks, to be able to assist them in conducting their duties as taxi drivers as safely as possible, not just for themselves, but also for their passengers and commuters who take their taxis.
As a taxi driver, some other time, you are working with many people, different peoples in different areas. So this thing already, they say it's around here.
It's important because you must know your status. We are working with people. We load many people. Each and every day you load and offload. That's the problem.
As one of the hardest hit industries, government is looking at a model to support the taxi industry financially.
This is one of the industries that are in distress. The matter is served in various committees of government. We as transport, we have taken up the matter in government and say that it is absolutely necessary to support the taxi industry.
The taxi industry injects more than 20 billion rand to the economy annually. Now it's payback time.
As an industry, we have been ostracized for quite some time. And it's about time that the majority public transport mover is being taken into confidence. And we welcome that.
Government has committed himself that he will assist the taxi industry. They are just working out on modalities so that they find out how much the operator must be paid according to their permits.
A financial blueprint is to be tabled next week on this matter. Nozindomi Mia, SABC News, Kopanong taxi rank in Ivory Park.